I'll be putting on a case for my iPhone XR, and it's white, and we have Otterbox Statement Series iPhone XR case, and then we have an Otterbox Series Figura iPhone XR case, and they are both designed for iPhone, promoted by Otterbox. And I'll be putting on this case, so my case, and we're gonna open the box, take this out slowly before I don't break it, and then we're gonna take the phone, put the case like that. It was made in 1998, and it's very nice. It looks like a cool design that you have on a wall, like a wallpaper. And then we're gonna put the phone into the case. I'm so strong. Okay, and there you have it with your hellos. And I will soonly, for surely, have a follow-up on this, and if I want to change the case and make sure my phone didn't break, and yeah. So, hope you have a good holiday, and bye-bye.